Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. If you are new here, do well to subscribe and don't forget to turn on notification bell.
In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to a website where you earn daily profit by completing tasks. Once you register account, you get $15 sign-up bonus. Kindly watch this video to the end. The first thing to do is to enter your mobile number, login password, security password, and make sure you have an invite code. Then you go to attach and verify with the code. Once you are done, tap on sign up. After registration, you can tap on EN to change the language to your preferred language. After successful registration, tap on the account icon at bottom and you will get 15 USDT sign-up bonus for free. So I am going to show you how to earn from the platform. Come back to the homepage and then tap on VIP. When you tap on VIP, you will see the various level and the amount you will earn daily. The profit you earn depends on your level of VIP. For example, when you purchase VIP 1 with 20 USDT, you earn $1.5 daily with 3 tasks and monthly profit of $45. With $65, you earn $18 daily with 6 tasks and $540 profit monthly in VIP 2. And when you purchase VIP 3 with $190, you earn $60 daily and $1,800 monthly with 10 tasks daily. Just like I said, the amount you earn depends on your level of VIP. Now going back to the homepage to make deposit. To make deposits, tap on the deposit on the homepage and then scan or copy the USDT address provided. Make sure that the network is TRC20. Paste the address and enter the amount you want to deposit. The minimum amount to deposit is 5 USDT deposit, what you can afford to lose. After deposit is complete, come back to the website and then tap here to confirm your deposit. Go to profit list to see the transaction history as well as the account balance. Now, going to the homepage to purchase a VIP level, so I will tap on VIP. I will tap on join now to buy VIP 1 since I have $20. Now, I'm to business hall and select VIP 1 to start the daily task. Now, I will tap on receive to get the $0.5 reward. I will complete the 3 tasks to receive the daily reward. To refer friends, tap on share and copy or scan your invite link. After copying the address, come to team at the homepage and you see your team members. When someone joins your team, you will earn team commission when they recharge, and the amount you earn depends on their VIP level. You can withdraw the team bonus straight to your account. Tap on task to see the status of your task. Once it is complete, you can withdraw the daily profit to your account. To make a withdrawal, come to the homepage and then tap on withdraw. Now copy your USDT address and paste it. After that, enter the amount you want to withdraw and your transaction password. The daily withdrawal limit is $1.5. When you are done, tap on confirm. Go to profit list to see the transaction history. I am going to see if my withdrawal has reflected. As you can see, the amount has been paid to my wallet successfully. You can go to transfer to VIP account to transfer your account to VIP. If you encounter any problems or difficulty, you can charge the customer service for assistance. Thanks for watching this video. If you want more videos, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.